Jay, good afternoon. Mike Pugliese shooting a quick video for you here on the 2015 Nissan Frontier. Just wanted to give you a quick little personal walk around on this truck. Really nice truck. We had a great opportunity to take this in on trade. Just a hair over 27,000 miles. Double cab, as you know, silver with the gray interior. Really good shape. Not going to find too many 2015s with 27K that are still for sale. It's got that really reliable 4-liter Nissan V6. Obviously the four-wheel drive. Decent amount of standard options inside. Got the factory running boards on it. Cruise control, Bluetooth, CD, all that stuff. Nice little moonroof on there. Tonneau cover on the bed. Nice 18-inch meaty all-season tires. Nice SL 4x4. Great example of a nice truck for New England if you don't want a full-size truck. These have great reliability, great history to them, and I know this truck was a one-owner, clean Carfax, and really can't figure out why it's still here. We've been here for a couple weeks now, maybe going on a few weeks. So just a great little truck. It's in good shape. Interior's clean. Gentleman kept up with it very nicely. So just a nice little truck if you're in the market for one. So I've contacted you back and forth via email. Just wanted to send this out so you get a little bit more personal look at the truck. Send this right over to you, and hopefully we'll get you in this week. Talk to you soon. Thanks, Jay.